Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking and how to download the ASUS Studiobook 16 3D drivers. So firstly guys, go to the ASUS website. Okay, this is official website for the driver, and then go to the support and driver and manual to click. So guys, there are two here to download the laptop driver. First is model and serial, second is serial number. So do you know what is your laptop serial number, and type here, then find out to click to download. Otherwise you don't know, so select model number and paste. Okay, which is you using, select this. Okay, then clicks to driver and utility, then BIOS and firmwares. So this is for BIOS update. Your if you have to update BIOS and firmwares are available, so simple click to download and install it. Next is driver and tool. So select your operating system, which is using Windows 10, and this is only showing the Windows 11. So if you have Windows 11, so download same setup, it is will be work. Okay, so this is for LAN, it means internet. This is chipset, audios, graphic card reader, printing, Bluetooth, and all driver are available separately if you have only one installed. Suppose I giving you an example to chipset. Select to click to download, automatically start, then simple click to open, then guys click to yes, then okay, next, I agree, next, install, next, install. Okay, so if you have a other driver also installed, so select no, then finish, then all the driver install, then you restart your system. Okay, thank you.